বাংলাদেশ মালদ্বীপের খেলা চলছে, কিন্তু মালদ্বীপের খেলা দেখার জন্য এখানে দেখতেই পাচ্ছেন অনেকেই উপস্থিত আছেন, অনেক ছোট দর্শক মালদ্বীপের ভক্তরা। তারা মালদ্বীপ দলকে সমর্থন জানানোর জন্য তারা এই প্রেস বক্স থেকে খেলা দেখছেন বসুন্ধরা কিংস অ্যারেনা। তারা কিরকম খেলা দেখছেন একটু জানতেই পারি আমরা। সো হ্যালো, আর ইউ আ মালদ্বীপ ফ্যান?
Yes.
So how satisfied are you with the way your team has played?
Yes.
How satisfied are you with your team's play?
Very satisfied. I'm very happy we scored a goal.
And your favorite player of the team? Is there
All
any?
of them are my favorite.
All of them are your
All of
favorite
them are.
players. So we have a very little one here. How are you enjoying the game?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mira.
Mira.
Yeah.
So who's your favorite player? All of them are your favorite players?
My mom.
My mom. Your mom is your favorite player. That's very great. Thank you. Thank you. So. And you won here. What's your name?
My name is Elaf.
Elaf. And your team is leading 1-0. Do you expect to win the game?
Yes, I expected a lot.
How many margins are they going to score, Bangladesh?
3.
3-0. No goals from Bangladesh?
I'm not sure.
Sure. And who's your favorite player of the team?
All of them.
All of them.
Yes.
And no one from Bangladesh?
Some of them.
Some of them. Some of them. Okay. So how are you feeling about the whole thing? You've come to see your team play and the atmosphere of the stadium. How good is it for you?
I feel very satisfied, but I'm not sure if we win or not. But I'm still very happy and satisfied that we got one score.
Yeah. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Onek dhonnobad.
Thank you for asking.
Bangla. Thank you. So how satisfied are you with your team's play?
I'm very satisfied. I'm so happy that they scored a goal and are leading currently. So yeah.
Do you expect your team to win the whole thing and the next match as well?
I hope sure that they will win, but I'm not sure. But I want them to win definitely.
So Maldives has been absent in the football arena for a year. How important is the win and the overall situation in Maldives football?
In this is like very important for our country, and our country loves football. So I hope they will lead this game so that we can win. So yeah.
Thank you. Any favorite player in the team?
Yes, my favorite player is number 10. His name is Hampu.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your comments. যেটা দেখছেন মালদ্বীপের অনেক ক্ষুদে ভক্তরা রয়েছেন, অনেকেই মালদ্বীপের জয় আশা করছেন। তবে মালদ্বীপের জয়টা যদি বাংলাদেশ কিছুটা হলেও ড্রয়ের দিকে নিয়ে যায় কিংবা বাংলাদেশ জিতে গেল, আসলে হয়তো তাদের ভক্তদের আনন্দের মাত্রাটা মোটেও কমবে না, কারণ তারা তাদের ফুটবল দলকে 1 বছর পর খেলতে দেখতে পাচ্ছেন। বাংলাদেশ মালদ্বীপের ম্যাচ চলছে, শনিবারও ম্যাচ রয়েছে ঠিক এই বসুন্ধরা কিংস অ্যারেনাতেই।
And click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T-Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.